My name is Anastasia Morrison. I came from Forest City, Arkansas to be here. That's 6 hours away. What I have enjoyed most about this ceiling and backdrop class is the interaction and, you know, getting a hands-on feel on the fabrics, and it's been a great experience. I have really enjoyed the class. I have gotten my money's worth in taking this class. I have learned a lot. So if you're on the fence about taking this class, I 100% recommend this class to you. I mean, it's awesome. I hope to see you in the next class or inside the group, and thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Talitha Banks. I'm from Atlanta, Georgia, not far from here. I helped create this wonderful backdrop. It is awesome. Today was an awesome experience. I hope that you guys join this class. It is awesome. This was my gift to myself, investing in myself. It was worth the money. It was awesome. I want to join every class that's out there. So invest in yourselves.
Hello, good evening. Hi, my name is Danielle, and I have just traveled from New Orleans, and I'm here to come to Atlanta to take part of the Pipe Academy's drape design class. Needless to say, Precious is wonderful. She has sat here today, and she has made sure that we know everything to do premium.
Hello, my name is Ejiro Samogaga. I'm from Nashville, Tennessee. I came all the way for the advanced draping class with Precious. Because I did want to up my game. Also, I love hand-on classes, so it gave me an opportunity to be here. Also, during the course, Precious gives tidbits that are just even beyond the content that we're covering. It was great value for money. She covered much more than expected and throw in some extra perks which you don't know about when you pick up the course. This is my second Precious course. I don't regret coming here from Nashville, and if there's another one above the advanced, you know I'll be here, because like I said, she's a good teacher. She gives you tips on how you can save money and make more money and give quality to your customers at the same time. Thank you, Precious, for all you do, and I wish you all the best.
Hi, I'm Kayla, and I've been here with my mother for 2 years, and I've been helping her with her business, helping her grow, and I finally got to do my own. And today I learned how to do the draping design over the other design, and I learned how to part it and all that stuff. All that fun stuff. You gotta come, it's so fun!
Hi guys, I'm Casey with Classically Chic Events with the Z on Instagram. I came to the Pipe Academy way from Baton Rouge, Louisiana. I can't tell you all what a wonderful learning experience this has been. I have learned the difference between premium draping and just the typical simple draping that I had done previously. I now feel like I'm totally ready to offer high-end draping to my clients, and I'm going to attract those clients who prefer premium draping.
Hey guys, it's Precious here of the Pipe Academy Draping Design Learning Community. I am here with Lindsay of KFab Creations, who took the workshop today, and she's going to tell you a little bit about her experience and what her expectations were prior to coming.
So my biggest expectation was that I would learn the proper technique to literally design an amazing backdrop. In the course of today, I have learned from just doing a basic, simple backdrop into doing an elaborate backdrop that I can offer my clients. I think that I have learned the technique that gives me the ability to have great confidence in what I'm doing and what I'm offering them. And then I was able to work with other event planners, so it just gave me an experience to be able to work with other people who are in the same league as me, like they know that they want to get a goal accomplished, and I think we did that today.
Absolutely. Hi, my name is Michelle Hill from Atlanta, Georgia. My business is 19 Kentrell Creations, and I came to the Pipe Academy Draping Design class because I need to take my business to the next level. I would like to offer premium customized backdrops along with my balloon decor. So I came to class today, and I've learned over and beyond everything that I could imagine. I was a basic learner. I'm new to the industry, so everything here I learned, framing, the embellishments, loops, hooks, drapes, layering, all those things to make the backdrop pop, come out, customized, elegant, romantic, all those things that people want. I learned here in class. Hi, my name is Michelle Hill, and I am back for a second time for the advanced course with Miss Precious in the Posh Academy. Loved it, loved it, loved it. This time we made a wall-to-wall backdrop, triple balance backdrop. I finally learned how to do the balance this time, and we worked with a lot of ladies that was advanced too. Precious is so worth the investment, and look what we accomplished.
Hi, I'm Nikki Reese from Auburn, Alabama, and I just finished my 101 training drape class with Precious Stevens. My experience was, I wasn't prepared. I came dressed to do drapes, but I feel like I should have been dressed to work out. It was a lot of work, but it's well worth it. Precious taught me from the basics. I didn't know how to assemble my drape. She taught me the basics, and now behind me, I can say that I've grown and I now feel comfortable with offering this service to my clients. My biggest takeaway is to understand the mechanics of doing the pipe and drape. It's not just putting a drape up on the pipe. You really understand the measurements, understand completing, and understand assembling safely so you don't injure yourself. Definitely take the class. It's worth the investment. Don't look at it as a cost, look at it as an investment. Before, when I was doing draping, I was just pretty much just putting drapes up thinking I was draping, but now it's a full service where I can offer to my clients and make twice as much, actually triple as much. So it's well worth the time.
Hi you guys, my name is Nakia McKay from Dallas and Arlington, Texas and Dayton, Ohio. I'm here today with Miss Precious with Posh Academy. Today we had the experience of doing the master drapery class, and I had a wonderful time. I had a lot of hang-ups before I came here. She taught me some new lessons. There were some little tricks and trades she's taught me. I've always been a hands-on person, teaching myself, but today I got clarification on what I need to do, save time, and learning how to save money. So I'm looking forward to enrolling to her next few classes that she have coming up. But if you're interested, you need to go to her page, like, share, and come aboard. So hope to see you soon. If not, better keep checking her out because we're gonna pass you on by.
Hi, my name is Ruth Newby and I'm from Beaufort, Georgia. I moved here about a year and a half ago. Changed profession. I was a hairstylist for 26 years, but this is something that I've always wanted to do. I found Precious online and fell in love with her energy. And today I came to her class, and let me tell you, she did not disappoint. She wants you to learn. She has the patience of Job, and she's just awesome. I would suggest this class to anyone.
Hello, my name is Charmaine Walters, and I'm coming in from Snellville, Georgia. I have finally met my mentor, and what an amazing day it was today. Today I learned how to do pipe and drape the correct way. And I'm happy and I'm proud of the class today. I really learned a lot. I thank Ms. Precious for being so patient with all of her students, explaining to us, and when we don't get it, she said, come on girl, you could do it. But I enjoyed myself, and this is an amazing program to get into, not only this program, but the Posh Academy Altogether program, because I'm a part of the tribe. I'm a part of the tribe and I love it. And I just want to say, I feel good in doing this for the first time. It really brought out something out of me, gave me that extra kick.
Hello, I'm Deborah Young. I'm from Raymond, Mississippi. I traveled 6 hours to come to this Posh Academy Draping Masterclass today to be with Miss Precious Stevens. I've had the opportunity to engage with her online and some of my classmates, some who I have met online and to engage with, but I've had the opportunity today to meet with them face to face and not just see them online, and I have thoroughly enjoyed them, as well as Miss Precious, who is an amazing, dynamic person who pours her heart out to you to make you become the person that you should be and brings the fear out of you to help you to become the person that you can be, with all that is in you to help you to improve your business. So I have learned so much to take back home to my business so that I can improve my draping, which I have tried and done what I thought was the best, but it was not my best. And Miss Precious will tell you with her heart and so passionately that no, you cannot do that because that is not right, what you got going on here. And she does it with not meaning any harm, but she helps. So I appreciate that. She has really helped me, and I know that she has helped our classmates. So that if you're thinking about this class and you've seen her online, I recommend it to you because I thought about it, and actually I tried to get into the class when she was in NOLA. Unfortunately, I did not make the class, but I'm so happy that I was able to become a part of this class. And I actually wish that I could become a part of the class on tomorrow, but I am not. But I will be back and engage in other classes, and thank you very much.
Hello, this is Keisha. I'm from New Orleans, Louisiana. I started following Precious in the Posh Academy on Facebook. I love the way she designs her backdrop. So when I saw that she was offering the backdrop workshop, I came way from New Orleans all the way to Atlanta, and I am very proud and excited and happy to be able to learn from Precious on how to create my beautiful backdrop.
Hello everyone, my name is Kim Nelson and I am from the east side of Atlanta, all the way from Snellville, and I am here at the Posh Academy and I am on 999. I've been here all day at the Posh Academy in this workshop, hands-on, and I can't tell you how important it's been for me to invest in myself. I came across Miss Precious on social media, and it's been the greatest find that I've had in such a long time. This workshop is worth more than I invested in myself. It is absolutely the bomb. Now let's just talk about her technique for a second. Her ability to connect with people, her unique teaching style, her ability to give details and not make you feel like you don't know nothing, which you don't know nothing when you come here compared to her, because she's the bomb.com. But the overall experience, it's worth it. I'm just getting ready to launch my business. I've been playing around with event decor for some time now, but I wanted to level up. And so I saw Miss Precious and I felt like she was gonna be the answer, and I'm not disappointed. I got more than I bargained for, and the details, she is the bomb.
Hi, my name is Latoya Lewis. I'm from Albany, Georgia. I actually drove 3.5 hours to take this class. I learned so much. Miss Precious is very passionate about what she does. She basically poured her heart out into us, and she blessed us with a gift that we can take back and to our own businesses and grow to gain high clientele, to do just remarkable work. And I'm so excited that she allowed herself to share her gift with us. She was very informative, she was very helpful. We just learned a lot. If you're thinking about doing this draping class, I suggest you do it. Don't wait about it. It's a great investment. If you want to gain that high clientele, you have to invest in yourself, and that's what I did, and that's what I encourage you to do.